Okay, this furnace is severely rusted out. Does anybody know what our problem is? For one, the spray humidifier and two, I have no light. I'll be back. I found out why the drain pan was rusting severely. It is because we have a humidifier, a spray humidifier, and the problem is, it is a spray humidifier, but it does help if it wasn't upside down. This is the drain line up top. That's supposed to be down here. The water line, the light's supposed to be up top. So this thing is I was draining on the furnace all these years. The silver tape is marked 98, so somebody's been in here in 98 to try to figure out what the problem is. But that's our problem. An upside down humidifier. Too crazy. Okay, it says remove 2 screws, black tape, assembly, screws 1, and open diffuse nozzle. So the evaporator goes up top here. This is the drain line in, so it's upside down. This is the drain out. Here's the in. This is looking in. So this nozzle is supposed to be over here. So it's been spraying and leaking down the whole time. Interesting. Here's the furnace, so you can tell how bad the humidifier is leaking. It's rusted this whole thing out. $3.95. It's pretty rusted. That's all from the humidifier being installed upside down. Yeah, it's a total rust bucket. Here's the media filter. $414.11. Interesting. You think if you were doing a maintenance on this furnace, you'd be suspicious of all this rusting.